Dear viewers, welcome to this in-depth special report on one of the biggest defense deals of 2025. Boeing's $8.6 billion contract to supply Israel with advanced F-15 fighter jets. You are watching Aviation Top News, and today we'll break down the details of this announcement, its strategic implications, the technology involved, and the broader geopolitical context. Just yesterday, on December 29th, 2025, the U.S. Department of Defense confirmed that Boeing has been awarded a major contract under the F-15 Israel program. This deal provides for 25 brand-new F-15IA jets, the Israeli variant of the cutting-edge F-15EX Eagle II, with an option for 25 more. Production will happen at Boeing's facility in St. Louis, Missouri, with deliveries stretching through 2035. This comes on the heels of high-level talks between U.S. President Donald Trump and Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu at Mar-a-Lago in Florida. It's also building on a separate 2024 agreement where Israel ordered another 25 F-15IAs for about $5.2 billion. Combined, these deals could deliver up to 50 new jets, largely funded through U.S. military aid, a testament to the enduring U.S. Israel defense partnership. The news, first reported by Reuters and confirmed across sources like the Jerusalem Post, the Times of Israel, and the Pentagon itself, underscores Israel's push to modernize its air force amid ongoing regional threats. Let's dive deeper. The contract is valued at $8.6 billion and covers everything from design and integration to testing, production, and delivery. It's a hybrid contract, mixing cost-plus fixed fee and firm fixed price elements to ensure efficiency. Work will primarily occur in St. Louis, where Boeing has been building F-15 variants for decades. The first deliveries aren't immediate. Expect them to ramp up over the coming years, with full completion targeted for December 31st, 2035. This isn't Israel's first rodeo with the F-15. The Israeli Air Force has operated Eagles since the 1970s, with a current fleet including older F-15A divided by C divided by D models and the F-15IA AMstrike variants. But these new F-15IAs represent a leap forward. Back in November 2024, Israel signed the initial $5.2 billion deal for 25 jets, with deliveries starting around 2031. That was funded via U.S. foreign military financing. The latest announcement effectively doubles down, potentially bringing the total to 50 new-build aircraft. Why now? The timing aligns with Netanyahu's visit to Trump, where discussions reportedly covered Gaza's ceasefire progress, Iran threats, and regional stability. While the Pentagon frames it as maintaining Israel's qualitative military edge, critics note ongoing debates over U.S. arms sales amid conflicts in Gaza and elsewhere. Why does Israel need these jets? The Middle East remains volatile. Israel faces threats from Iran and its proxies, Hezbollah in Lebanon, Houthis in Yemen, and remnants in Syria and Iraq. Recent years saw intense operations, strikes on Iranian targets, Houthi launches, and Hezbollah rocket barges. The F-15IA bolsters long-range precision strikes and air dominance. Paired with F-35s, it creates a layered force, stealth for first-day surprises, heavy Eagles for sustained campaigns. This deal reinforces Israel's qualitative edge, a U.S. policy cornerstone. With up to 50 new jets plus existing 66 older F-15s, some upgradable, the IAF stays dominant for decades. Broader context: U.S. aid funds much of this, about $3.8 billion annually, plus extras. Proponents say it deters aggression. Critics, including some U.S. protesters, question arms amid Gaza operations. Geopolitically, it signals strong Trump-Netanyahu alignment. Trump brokered past deals and continues robust support. Meanwhile, discussions touched Iran nuclear issues and Gaza Phase 2 ceasefire. For Boeing, huge win. Keeps St. Louis line hot, supports jobs, and follows USAF F-15EX orders. Potential ripple. Other nations eyeing advanced Eagles. Regionally, neighbors noted. Saudi Arabia has F-15S Egypt II, but Israel's tech edge persists. Boeing's St. Louis plant is the F-15 birthplace. Over 50 years of production. This contract sustains expertise amid commercial challenges. The F-15EX line is ramping. USAF wants 100, exports growing. Israel's deal, first major foreign F-15EX buy, validates the platform. Future, option for 25 more could push total value higher. Upgrades for older Israeli F-15 is possible too. In summary, this $8.6 billion Boeing deal marks a pivotal upgrade for Israel's Air Force, delivering 25 to 50 advanced F-15IAs to counter evolving threats. It's a blend of proven legacy, cutting-edge tech, and unbreakable U.S. Israel ties. As deliveries begin in the 2030s, these Eagles will shape Middle East skies for generations. Thanks for joining. This has been a deep dive into a game-changing defense story.